Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are showing you 20 mini bento cakes with adorable goats. These tiny cakes trends deliver two big feelings. The first one is you are loved or I love you cake. Soft pink icing with white piping and the comforting quote, you are loved or I love you. So simple and sweet. The next is Happy Your Day cake. Bright yellow cake with fun lettering, a soft or a self love day cake for treating yourself. The next is I'm proud of you cake. Perfect for a friend who achieves something big. Lavender base, cohesive message, and mini heart details. The next is It's Okay to Rest cake. Soft petal stones, sleepy face emoji, and a reminder we all need. Peaceful and cute. The next is Besties Forever cake. Two cartoon faces, hearts, and the sweetness pink on white friendship cake. The next is Self Love or Love Yourself First cake. Trendy black lettering on a nude beige background with delicate sprinkles. The next is You Got This cake. Shy blue icing with bold rainbow texture, motivational and fun. The next is I Miss You cake. A soft baby blue with thread top emojis and gentle script. A huge cake form. The next is Happy Birthday Queen cake. Glittering gold frosting with a crown, elegant, bold, sassy, and fabulous. The next is Stay Soft Cake. Pastel green with daisy decorations, calm and aesthetically pleasing. The next is Be Kind Always Cake. Cream base, rainbow text, and a tiny smiley face, cheerful and universal. The next is Thinking of You cake. Floral accent, soft floral color, and sweet cursive flattering. The next is Don't Give Up cake. Dark purple background with lighting, bold icing or icons, a mini pep talk on a plate. The next is You Make Me Smile cake, heart shaped bento cake with pink swirl and tiny smiley faces. The next is Just Breath cake, minimalist cake with soft blue waves and calming text. The perfect anxiety. The next is Just Breath cake, minimalist style with soft blue waves and calming text. The perfect anxiety softer. The next is Love You So Much cake. Matcha green icing with wild fondant lettering, cute, honey and delicious. The next is Forever Stay Starts Now cake. Elegant gray and gold tones, perfect for engagements or wedding announcements. The next is You Deserve cake. Simple white frosting with bold red hearts and the truth we all do. The next is Make a Wish cake. Starry night theme with gold lettering and candle sparkles, magical and dreamy. The next is Small cake, big love. Tiny heart shaped with red and white icing, a mini masterpiece of Valentine's or any day. Use buttercream piping tips for cute borders, gel pen or fondant letters for a clean texture. Keep code short, 3 to 5 words in perfect. Match the mood with emoji style decor. Use a color palette that pops in photos. Mini cake, big message. Which quote was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. And if you like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for daily cake inspiration and share this video with your friends, family members, or who needs a little cake love today or whom you love the most. So they can try a cake like this for you for your next celebration or the event which is very special for you. So must share that idea with that friend or your loved one to make the cake for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Stay tuned or stay watching with us. Goodbye. Take care of yourself and your family members. Share love, and cakes are the best way to express your feelings, emotions, and your love. Hope so you enjoy this video. Goodbye.